Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is VELDOG, and today we got something very special for you guys. It's going to be called a chicken nacho tacos. So yeah, I got this on medium. Turn my handle around here so I can control it. Turn this down a little bit so you don't want it to stick too bad. Just spread it out evenly. And if you want to, you can cover this up. And we're just going to let it cook slow and low. We're just going to cook this till it get all the way done. I know you guys don't want to see me doing this for a while. I'm going to go ahead and let this kind of cook here instead of messing with it. And I'll see you guys about 2 to 3 minutes, see what we got. Okay guys, I'm back. I put the lid on there. Just going to stir this up. I always scrape the bottom because that seasoning will start to make it stick. Let me see if I can find that. I'll put it somewhere. We have another seasoning packet. Oh, here it goes. That's what I put in there. Alright, this is the mild one. They have the original and all that good stuff too. So what we're gonna do, put this lid back on here. Make sure you guys preheat your oven at 200. And while this cooking, your shell can be going. I'm about to put this lid on there, man. Oh, swear, man, I swear for a living. So yeah, mine is heated up, and here's my shells. Just got them on the pan. I'm just gonna put these in the oven at the top rack because I don't want them. I just want them to get crispy. They already done. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook for another 2 or 3 more minutes, and I'll show you guys what we got then in a minute. Okay, guys, let's check on this. It's gonna take the chicken that long to cook. All right. We're just gonna leave with the lid off now because it's about done. So you grab your little piece of thick piece and break it in half. That means it's done. See that? So we just want some of this water to evaporate out of there. Alright guys. Next time you see me, we'll be over there putting this stuff together. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Let's go ahead and start putting this stuff together. And yes, I did wash out my bowl. You know, some people be thinking, oh man, that's nasty, bro. But hey, no. We don't do that around here. It's all about safety and health. But yeah, you can put as much as meat you want to put in yours. These kind of like big chunks. Come back and get that one later. about. Make sure your hands clean, guys, when you're doing this. So you won't have nobody in the background mad at you. Am I mad at dude's knuckles dirty? Yep. Let me see. Alright, let me see. Go over here with it. Get that up there. Pretty good. Pretty good. I'm really not a big fan of the chicken tacos, but this one tastes pretty good. Okay, I think that's about it. Alright, we're gonna come in here. Let's see which one we're gonna come with. Which one you want to come with? This one, or this one? That one? We're gonna come with the cheese. Take the cheese. Now, of course, you know I'm gonna have to set this up for you guys. Can't be looking all bogus. This cheese is real sticky like. Alright. Let's see, we got enough cheese over here. Make sure we got cheese all over, man. This one's sliding out. Alright. We ain't gonna worry about too much of that stuff. Now we're gonna come with our lettuce. Take the lettuce, spread it on there like that. Like that. Lettuce that fell off on the other ones, you just put them where they're needed. Then we'll take our homemade pico de gallo, stir that up some, just put it on there. Our kids love this stuff. You don't even need no taco sauce. And when you guys make this, please let me know how did it taste to you, because I know it's off the chain for me, whether you know it or not. But make it, I promise you. I'm not a punk in the kitchen at all. I've been doing this for quite some time, ladies and gentlemen, and I appreciate you guys rocking with me. And in the future, we're going to be doing other great things. All right, so that's how that looks. All right, let me show you that. Just like so, guys. All right, there's your chicken nacho tacos. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this stuff and put out my little display, and I'll be back. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, there it is. Chicken nacho tacos from Old El Paso and VELDOGG'S Kitchen. So if you like this video, guys, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget that that's right. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. So you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out. Much love.